I was recently at the Technology and Maintenance Council's spring annual meeting in New Orleans. And while there, I got the opportunity to interview a number of the exhibitors at the show. It was a fantastic show. Over the next 4 weeks, we are going to share those interviews with you. And we're also going to provide you with some of the things that were learned while I was at the show. Now, on the first day that I was there, I attended their press release day or their press conference day. And that is where I got an opportunity to hear about some of the new things that are happening in the heavy duty industry. And let me tell you, there's some exciting stuff coming in the way of technology and in the way of new parts. While I was there, I got the opportunity to meet a lot of their marketing departments, and we talked about having those companies come on the show. So look forward to some of those interviews in the weeks to come. I was also very privileged to have the opportunity to volunteer for one of the task force. Now, I volunteer for S14, which focuses on last mile delivery and vocational vehicles and equipment. The work that we have done over the last few months for VMRS codes has actually been very impactful for the vocational fleets that run equipment that are kind of outside of the normal class 7 through 8 truck and trailer combos. Next, this task force is going to work on tackling how to prep a battery electric vehicle for upfitting. The work that is done at these task force meetings is just one of the many ways that the TMC, or the Technology and Maintenance Council, provides a really high level of ongoing support to the trucking industry. And as someone who's been in this industry for a long time, I can tell you it is a real privilege to work with the men and women in this task force and participate in a small way. Everybody adds to that and participates, and the results are really good for the trucking industry.